We just had a crash.
Remote control and the aircraft disconnected.
Alright guys, so when the Evo 2 says that battery's low, you better believe it means it. So I say a little prayer here before I pick it up and hope that it's okay. Looks like the leg's broken. So we got a broken motor there. This one's okay. There's no scratch on the sensors. No scratch on the sensors. Side's not cracked. And now let's look at the gimbal. Gimbal is okay. Everything's fine except for that leg. Gonna have to do a video on how to replace a leg on the Evo 2. Battery's laying right down there. Hey guys, yeah, crashed the Evo. It's a bit odd, and I'm sorry for the noise, but I don't have a cattail or anything, so it's just gonna be a little wind noise you're gonna pick up. But long story short, it's a bit odd how this crashed, and I'll show you. I don't have flight footage of it, but I can show you the view I caught from this camera here, because it's that tree right there up behind me. And I can also show you the flight log, and it'll show you the battery percentage and all that. So all I was doing is I'd already been out here flying most of the day, and I just wanted to do a simple hand launch, which I'll show you the video. I wanted to do a simple hand launch, like an intro. Whenever I'm out flying, I do little shots like that just in case I want to use them. So I decided I'm going to do a hand launch and a hand catch. So I had already done it once, and I wanted to do one more. And I had enough battery to do so, just to do it and bring it back. I wasn't going to go out and fly or anything. So what happened was I did the hand launch, I flew it up, and then I was going to cut out if I used that in a video. So what I did is I cut out, and then I turned and I went above those trees over there. And I'm not sure, I can't remember exactly how close it looks, but I was not close to the tree whatsoever. I was well above it. It might look like in the video that I was on top of the tree and hit it, because you're going to have other branches in front here making it look that way, but I was definitely well above the branches. I had 4% battery, 4 minutes on my battery at 15%, I believe. All of a sudden on my controller I heard a beep and a series of beeps, and it said landing. And I'm thinking maybe it detected the branches of the tree, or detected the tree as ground and decided just to land. I don't know, but it started doing those series of beeps and said landing, and as soon as it did, I hit the stick up, and when I hit the stick up, it was too late. It descended fast and goes wrecking through that tree and broke my leg. So this is the drone I really did not want to have that happen to. It's not a big deal to me if I crash quads. I can fix them, but if you know anything about this quad, it's special to me. My mom bought me this quad and passed away. So There's a lot of meaning to me on this quad, and a little bit of heartbreak that that happened. It is fixable. I guess this is just going to create another video where I take this apart and do a video on replacing the arm. So maybe my mom wanted me to do that. Maybe mom helped me out a little bit and said, hey, you need to do a tear down on that quad and replace something. And broke the arm, luckily, not the gimbal. Nothing else wrong with it. No cracks on the sides. The sides are perfectly fine, and when you see it tumbling, or when you hear it in the video, I think you can hear it. If not, I'll enhance the sound. But it crumbled pretty good. It went down and it landed on rocks right on the water's edge, and then it shot the battery out the back. But no cracks. Everything's good. No cracks. So wind's kicking up more now. I'm going to go ahead and end it here. Watch the flight log and the footage I captured when I was trying to simply make a little quick 2-minute video. Wasn't even 100 feet away and it just crashed. So that's that. Autel Evo 2 down. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. And as always, hit that bell for future content, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace and love. We just had a crash.
Remote control and the aircraft disconnected.